So, went to bed last night around like 11:38, probably 12 by the time I fell asleep. Woke up at 5:45. Couldn't go back to sleep, so I just got up. I edited a video that was last week, so that's editing. I have this weekend's videos to edit. I still have my validation thing meeting to go to. I need to drop my rental car off, and the conditions outside is currently raining. I need to go to the gym, and I have a video to film for a company. Busy day. I need to throw my clothes in the dryer now. Okay, I'm going to drop the rental car off. My body is just, it's like not functioning right now. I need it to. I had to park all the way on the roof last night because there were no spots. Because it was, again, like 11:30. It's raining and my body is rejecting any kind. Oh, like a whole bunch of water just spilled off the tent because the wind be blowing. Girl. Today's gonna be fun. I need a haircut. At least it's not pouring and I don't have to walk home in the rain like that. Okay. Still love living in a city though. Rental car is returned. My video is uploading. I already drank coffee this morning, and so I'm taking this like energy stuff. Hopefully that gives me energy. If I don't do anything else today, I just need to go to the gym, because sitting for like 3 days is just, I just need to go to the gym. Okay, let's go to the gym. Well, I did it. Forced myself to work out. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go take a shower and my eyes hurt. So I'm gonna try this stuff that my mom got me. It's like a heated eye mask for like 10 minutes. So I think that's what I'm gonna, yeah, I'm ready to, I can't function brain-wise. Alright, so I've just been like editing for the past hour and a half. I have a package, so I'm gonna go get the package because I don't know what it is. Ah, yes. So I got clothes from a brand that wanted to do like a little deal with me. So I got clothes from them. I need to make like some videos for them. Super excited about that. And I also have another brand that I'm doing a collaboration with. So that's also exciting. So 2 brands. I'm excited. I'm also hungry though. So I'm about to make myself some breakfast/lunch. Taking a break from editing. I also need to figure out what all I need to make for the separate videos, because I know that I have to do 2 different ones, and one of them I have to do social media on all platforms. One of them is just a YouTube video, so like, you know, there's a lot of things that I have to do. I think I'm gonna make this video first because they gave me a discount code. By the way, the discount code is in the description below if you want some really cool clothing like this. Okay, the clothing, yeah. Yeah, I'm about to make this. About to use this camera. Break time. Haley and I are going to this sushi place. Is it a sushi place technically?
Yeah. Sushi ramen.
Sushi ramen place.
Inari.
And then so we're getting the food. We're coming back, and we're planning out our little trip that we have in the summer. I'm not gonna disclose where we're going yet, but it's gonna be super fun, and we're doing a little plan date and plan. Cute coupley stuff, you know?
Yay.
It gives other people the ick. Otherwise, I would have came out for a walk. We gonna have a little dinner date with the laptop.
Yep, that's what. So I have. Look.
I don't know.
I don't think I wrote anything down yet.
Just as guys?
I think it's just.
Okay. They have a specified beach or waterfall?
They have multiple.
Yes, Rose?
Connected the liver to a pneumothermic perfusion machine. Lost some time to do his job, but not much. Must be able to explain the situation to the transplant committee, yes?
But for Tasha once.
No, you.
No, you.
They factor in like
Ugh! I can't. You know what? I feel like filming with another camera. Let me take it back.